If you have back pain from the sitting, right, whether it's at class or in the car or whatever, the things I said, of course, and then here's how you deal with the pain, right? I realized I didn't tell you how to do that. So all you're gonna do is it's in your foam roll routine, right? So if you go to the foam roll video, it's that move where we do this, we pull our leg up and we kind of get the lateral butt cheek. Anytime your low back's hurting, most likely it's coming from right here, right? So just spend some time smashing that real good. If it's real tight, you might start doing it like, oh, I don't feel anything. And if you just keep hitting it for a minute, you'll get past that initial tension in the muscle layer, and you'll start getting under where it's actually in a state of hypertension. But anyway, this guy gets real tight. The same way that it protects your low back. If it's super tight, then it's pulling on it unnecessarily, which causes pain, right? So if you're in pain from the car ride or whatever, or any other reason, do that move to get rid of it. The other thing too was in your on your lifts, the Olympic lifts, or anytime we're bringing a bar down from up top, follow your bar down. This is not CrossFit. We don't just drop our bars and throw them and let them go wherever the hell they want. That bounce like that jacks up the collars on the bumpers that slide on there. It blows the collars out. It bends the bars. It destroys the equipment, right? So we don't do that in weightlifting. Furthermore, if you're in a competition, dropping it the way you're dropping it is considered a no rep, okay? So for the legalities of that, your arms must pass your shoulder line before you can relinquish your grip. But in general, I want you controlling your bar, bam, 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 to the floor, okay? So when you bring that sucker down, right, it's gotta come all the way down to right here before you can actually let it go, okay? I wanna see you bring it all the way down there, and bop, 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 control it to the floor, right? If you're running Barbell Method programming, then we're gonna respect the equipment, we're gonna respect the gym, and then respect the other lifters around us, right? Control your bar down, we don't do that CrossFit stuff.